Hey, what's up guys, it's TNT Yeeter back here with a Minecraft video. Today I'm in my tutorial world to show you how to build a TNT Yeeter plane. I've had just a plane that's kind of designed for TNT Yeeters to fly. No, it doesn't actually fly. I'm not that good at Minecraft, but if you know how to use like command blocks and how to make it fly, then it is probably possible to make it fly, but you know, I'm not really good at Minecraft, so I don't know how to do that. But yeah, basically what you're gonna need is all the those. Sorry, these are from other builds. Forget them. Basically need all of these, not 64 of them, of course. You need, well, I'll show you roughly how many. You need about two of these, one of those, I don't know, one or two of those. And like four wasting glass and just 2 ladders or so. Quite a lot of this, one of this, and one of this. Of course, you also need a polished andesite block, but polished, not polar bear. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna have to go down there for reference all the time because I built my plane there. I'm also probably not gonna have enough room here. But basically, I'll just start off the build quickly. So, also you're gonna need a lot of this because both the entire base of the plane is covered in this. But anyway, so you want to build a couple of blocks of ground of plane, so it makes sense, and then you're gonna have it landed. But yeah, it doesn't honestly. Don't expect anything super realistic. You know, this is just it's just a kind of joke build. And let me check there. So I have to go. Well, that's roughly what you're gonna want it to look like in the end. Stuff like this. Yeah, it doesn't look amazing. I just need to see. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I'm not good. Like I said, I haven't memorized the entire thing because it's a bit complicated. And it's not something you just remember immediately. But anyway, yeah, you want to build a bit of this, like this, and then make sure there's one bit with the end of it like that, and I'll build this back a little so like get all the way to around here. I'll go a bit further, maybe like this far. Then you want to start, and then you're just gonna go like this, and that's like your base, body of the plane. Now you want to do the base of the wings, which we are gonna destroy some of the wings later. Actually, I should have made it a bit longer here. Actually, maybe. Right, let's see. Yeah, you want to build this to make it add a bit here, and yeah, you just want to go like this, and then so you want to get 3 out, so you're gonna need 6 blocks for that. And then it doesn't matter which way around the plane's wings are. I think it looks cool if it's this way around, but it doesn't make a difference. Yeah, that's kind of just kind of a lot of this bit will be destroyed later, but just like have reference, something to reference of also building. Oops, my bad. But yeah, you can add these for your TNT Yeeter Air Force or something. If you watch my other videos, then you'll probably see you'll probably have seen my TNT Yeeter bird things like and they could fly around here. We also need to I think just around here. Well, I might change this later, but I think it's just around like here. You want to go and give it go down because this is where the TNT is going to sit. Actually, the TNT is already big. I need a bit of Anyway, so now you want to get your glass. You want to get your glass out and we'll do that. And then you want to build the thing which the TNT can actually see out of. So otherwise, you know, it's not very useful if your TNT is blind. It's blindly flying. Do that. And oops, my bad. Sorry, I'm not good at this. And yeah, you just want to go and So yeah, I'm really bad at computer version. So don't judge me, please. But yeah, you just want to place this in whichever way you like. I like placing it this day. It looks a bit like a duck in my opinion. I don't know. But yeah, and that's kind of fun done. Except well, there's going to be a bit more detail in the future. I'll just quickly check it down here. Oh yeah, I did mess up a bit. Sorry. Yeah, expect this a lot, so don't to make sure to watch the video to the end first before actually building it if you don't want to mess up. Because I am prone to messing up with this song. So if you want to actually go put this here, and then this, and this, like that, and then this here. And like you can see, the moment the TNT won't really be able to see it, once see above this. So what you want to do is go like this. I just have to check. I think that's right. Oh, there's my brother here. So I just saw my brother. I think my brother might be in this game after. No, he's not. I think he's playing servers at the moment, I'm not sure. Anyway, if you want to see actually me playing servers, because you've probably seen it once or twice with Galaxy Warrior. If you want to see more of that, then please tell me in the comments. Should count it. Oh yeah, I didn't do it right, sorry. I didn't do it right. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. What's the end? Oh, sorry if the music's getting a bit loud. It's yeah. It's just the thing. I think I actually set the video volume to the sort of game music just too loud. But yeah, so that's just about that bit done. Now all I want to do is just finish it off really quick. Yeah, that's all of the fun done. What you might, this is probably the time to put your TNT Yeeter in, but if you want to put it in later, and if you haven't got all the materials, then that's fine. You might have to destroy a bit and put it in later. But yeah, now we'll just do the control panel quickly. So you want to get this in. Button shoot or something. I don't know. I'll show you how one button should control the entire plane. Like TNT to land anything possible. So if I just want to go and control this to be like that. And yeah. Now moving on to the wings. So in this bit, yeah, make sure I concentrate clear because this is a bit slightly complicated, but you know, so you have to destroy these. Don't worry, I'll show you again on the other wing show you in the other wing. I'll show you how to build it slower. So you want to go 1, 2, 2, and now you want to grab the andesite again, and whichever way you want to put things. So in my case, that way, put that there, and then you copy on the other side. So remember. 2 stairs, and then 2 slabs. Oh, I made the wing too short, didn't I? It doesn't matter. And now, you want to go just like that. Oops, my bad. I'm so good at messing up. Well, the music stopped, hasn't it? Right, so I want to put the light. Well, of course, you put because it's your. I don't know if you're going to do this in survival. This probably would be a bit of a nuisance to do in survival because there are a lot of things that are much easier and creative than survival. For example, building high up, which would be pretty dangerous in survival if you want to put it down there. The battle scene of the TNT Yeeter planes. I don't know, whatever you're building with this. I'm not even sure. If you guys can send me, I'm not sure if you can send pictures on YouTube, but if you guys know how to send pictures on YouTube, please send me how you've pictures of how you've incorporated these builds or adaptations of these builds on your own builds of TNT Yeeters in some way. I'm not sure how, but that could give me some ideas and that could help the channel along. Anyway, enough talking. I think now you'll go like this, no, like more like that. I guess That kind of creates this little thing that sort of looks a bit like a staircase, but it's not even meant to be. Oh, actually, just want to go. Oh yeah, no, I want to go like that. So I'm good at messing up. It does look a bit odd, like a staircase, but you know, it will look better over time. So I'm getting to the night. Might shape building a bit harder, you know. Looks nice, I guess. But yeah, that's kind of the front done. If you wanna, this bit you don't have to keep. If you don't think the stairs look nice, then you just replace it with something else. I don't know, around the side, for example. In my opinion, the stairs look okay, but you know, I think most people like this. It looks chonky plain, chonky. Okay, whatever. Yeah, now you want to go take what they called. Go take these out and make sure you have the smooth stone. Yes, I think that's what they're called. And make sure you have the smooth stone on you. Because I want to get the smooth stone. You're not going to need much of this, but yeah, leave that space for now because that's going to be useful in the future. I think we need to extend this bit a bit. Right, let's extend it one out. I'm sorry if the visitor is getting a bit annoying. Shit today quickly. Good. Sorry if you like the night. It might get a bit hard for our people to see how I'm building this. Now I want to go 1, 2, 1, 2. So that looks bad. It looks a bit of texture. Well, actually, no, I want to not do that. And then let's do that. And get these. I'll put one there. One there. One here. The same like this. Yep, that way. And this. Nope, my bad. And yeah, that's well, that's not the tail done, is it? That's that bit of the tail done. What is it? Well done, me. You're a typical TNT Yeeter. Always messing up. That's what I say. Just watch the video to the end first, and then do the build because it's gonna take a while. But yeah, the paint actually was quick. The paint's actually almost done. And I think, I don't know, I wouldn't say it looks like a masterpiece. It isn't going to look like, I'm going to use it for realistic, I don't know, Second World War build up. Because this looks nothing like an action plane, you know? It's a funny little TNT to plane that could make your Air Force a bit, I wouldn't say better, Air Force a bit more varied, I think, if you have an Air Force. Yep, and I want to get polished stone and put one there, it's raining. No, rain. Yeah, it's the build almost done. It's really close to finishing this build. What you want to do that is, all you want to do now is that block, this block, and oh, what happened to this? And I did mess up, so this is normal for me. And I should have made the tail a bit longer, so again, normal for me. Just quickly do this. Messing up is very normal for me. And now you want to get your iron cap door. Do that. Take it out and put it there. So now, I already have my button on me. You put the button wherever you want to place it. Oh, that doesn't work. You put it there, I guess. Was it? Okay, sure, okay. Yeah, and then we'll put the ladder here. Anyway, the build's almost done. We just need to do the underside. We'll fix the tail off. Just like I just want to put another button like yeah, I guess we can go in. And now it's, oh, we should actually put the TNT Yeeter in now. So, oh, actually, you guys just read that sometimes if you say TNT Yeeter, it sounds like TNT Eater. I just realised that. But now, if you didn't do the TNT Yeeter earlier, then you're gonna have to destroy a bit here to remove that. But if you could bring this bit down a bit for the sake of the TNT Yeeter. Oops. Maybe I'm gonna destroy this bit too, so I mess up a lot, don't I? But yeah, and I'm gonna put this bit here, and you're gonna bring this bit down here as to why I won't be distracted by whatever crew members he has. And then there, and slot the head on, as usual for TNT. And then if you did, like I said, if you didn't do that earlier, then you're gonna have to fly out, and then put whatever you've used right here. And now it's almost done. It's just the other side now. Now you're gonna get your you get the stairs, and this bit, if you're on survival, this bit's gonna be really hard. If you're on creative, it's gonna take 3 seconds. The range blocking on my voice, and I'm not even talking much, but you just want to sound this in sort of a weird letter O. You can do the corners, I think it may look better if you don't do the corners, but I just think it's best thing to fit your build. Now back here you want to get these, no, there, and let's go up 1, 2, let's just get that. I'm not sure I built this as a platform for this build. Yeah, that's actually nice to do this. Yeah, that's pretty much the build done. And also, but if you wanna, if this plane has landed, then I've actually found a clever way of doing landing gear. That we do this. It looks a bit like a landing gear, and then you can do back there. Well, that's actually what this landing gear wouldn't work, would it? Anyway, if you want to have landing gear, then that's how I advise doing it. If you don't, just don't use that. And you can also add like explosives. That's kind of how you do that. And then this is a TNT Yeeter plane. It makes sense to TNT. And yeah, that's kind of it, I guess. My commentary wasn't great this video, I'm sorry for that. Yeah, that's how you make a TNT Yeeter plane. I hope you did enjoy this video. I did. I definitely enjoyed making it. Tell me what you guys think about this plane. Should I like add some bits? How do you think I should make it better? Do you want me to do like another TNT Yeeter another video about TNT Yeeter vehicle? Also, just give me your ideas about TNT Yeeters, because I've kind of ran out, because like I've resorted to doing weird stuff like this. Yeah. So just do the outro inside the plane. That seems fitting. Whilst it's raining outside. First quest actually get in the plane. But yeah. You can add other TNT Yeeters in here, but really it doesn't matter. Yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, then make sure you leave a like. But if you want to see more stuff like this, then make sure you subscribe too, because at the moment we have like 150 subscribers. It's a bit sad. Very sad. But yeah, I hope you did like this video. I think I just already said that, but okay, you guys. Yeah. And yeah, that kind of concludes it for the video. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you all later. Bye.